Well, I would have shot this video from the time we unloaded it, but it's raining in East Tennessee again. Supposed to have some nasty weather on the way, so I needed to get this in the dry quick. But short little video here. We have got some of our products in. Now we sell this as well as use it. I've been using Espoma for years, but we decided we would expand our operation a little bit this year and help out our neighbors and friends and customers. So here's the larger bags of Garden Tone. Now you can use these on herbs and vegetables. This is a 36-pound bag. That's what we use, but now we use a lot. Now this is the smaller bags. These should be 5-pounders. Nope, that's a 4-pounder. It's a 4-pound bag. I thought it was 5-pound. I'm off. So we have it in 4-pound and 36-pound, whatever meets your need. We got our all-purpose plant food. That's Espoma, and all this is organic. But these are slow release, so you don't get all of it at one time. You can work it into your soil when you plant, and then you can wait until the fruit sets and do it again. This is Holly Tone. Now it's for evergreens and azaleas, but what it doesn't tell you by the name is this is also for your blueberries. This is for any acid loving plant, so this works very well on your blueberries. But it tells you rhododendrons, camellias, hydrangeas, you know, of course, like we said, azaleas and evergreens, and then it also works on blueberries. Here is Tomato Tone. Now, if you got a small garden, you can use just the vegetable tone, but you'll get a little bit, or actually quite a bit, you'll get a bit better production if you use the Tomato Tone. Now, we have the Tomato Tone available in the small bags also. And we also have in the small bags, let's see if I can get this before you can see it, the Tree Tone. We have actually bought the Tree Tone in the small bags for our customers. We got so many people wanting that in the small bags, and before, all we had ever carried is the Tree Tone in the large bags, and that's what we use on our trees. But you know, for most people that's going to be a little bit of overkill, but it's all in what you're looking for. And then we have our Berry Tone. Got that bag dirty, but we got our Berry Tone. Now this is a great fertilizer for any of your berries. This strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. Now I don't think it's got any, it doesn't have the acid necessary for a blueberry, so if you're using this as a fertilizer, you're going to want another independent source for to make the soil acidic. So you can use this, but you're going to want to add acid to it also. That's where the Holly Tone comes in. But now the Holly Tone is a fertilizer also, so you don't really have to have the Berry Tone on your blueberries, but you can use it on your blueberries. But it is great for the rest of your berries, you know, your raspberries, your blackberries, your strawberries. You know, there's a lot you can do with the Berry Tone. And that again is in a 4-pound bag. So we will get some prices up on our Facebook page. You can pick these up at the farm. If you're a CSA member, you can have these delivered with your CSA, as we deliver your CSA every week. I say CSA, it's more of a weekly farm fresh produce box. We don't quite do exactly the CSA model. We like a modified version of it because it seems to work well. But we can deliver that every week with your produce box as we deliver it. But you're welcome to pick up here at the farm. We are open on Fridays and Saturdays from 10 to 3 p.m. for our farm stand and for our nursery. The nursery is, I'll walk out here, it's raining, but I think we'll be okay for a few minutes in the camera. The nursery uses our upper driveway. So there's our greenhouses. We use that one, the number 2, for our nursery. Unfortunately, we won't have as many cauliflower and broccoli and cabbage plants as we had planned, and kale. They unfortunately were sitting outside during our heavy hailstorm the other day and made a mess. But you can use this upper driveway, which is a mud hole right now thanks to all the rain. We're hoping to get gravel put on this here just shortly. But you can use this upper driveway, or you can use our lower driveway. If you use the upper one, be sure to stay up here at the top of the hill. If it's wet like this, you don't want to get on this and get stuck. But the lower driveway is accessible also, and we can bring the stuff down to you if you know what you want. We're glad to bring it to your car. Plenty of room to distance yourself from your friends here. We have lots and lots of space. We're on a 5-acre farm, and I'll show you what I mean by the damage we got from the hail. This is our potting and planting station. But as you can see, they just got beat to death. Cauliflower, cabbage. We were really ramping up for all of our customers this year, trying to help them out. And it has just really been wicked rough on this. That being said, we are doing quite well. And we do have a little bit that made it, that was under shelter. Just not what we wanted. But now that's just our cauliflower, you know, our brassicas basically, and our kale. We still have plenty of peppers and tomatoes. And this is our Chinese pink celery. We got plenty of herbs growing. Well, I say plenty, we always sell out. So get yours early. We got lettuce starts going. We have cucumbers. Now these are not the ones for sale because it ain't time to plant yet, but we'll be using those in our greenhouse. We have basil, more peppers. I got a little overachiever down here that's already got a pepper on him. More lettuce. And we'll have leeks and onions, beets. Just here's our early tomatoes. They are getting quite big. Most of them are above my knee. This one's getting close to waist high. So we're very excited. But there's some of the onions we'll be planting and selling. Both. We'll have both available. Leeks. And we have more. This is just part of what we got. Here is our early grafted fruit trees that we are growing out. They're looking quite well, very happy. Chamomile. And here's some more trees. I got to come through every couple of days and pinch these off of the base of the tree because we want the energy to go into the graft, not into the rootstock. And so, and you got to be careful. Make sure you don't grab a piece that's on the grafted side. That's a no-no. But anyway, I'll get back up here after a while and do some work on that. That's enough of that for you all to see. So anyway, show you the insanity in one of our lettuce greenhouses. Greens, technically, not just lettuce. Look how pretty that is. That purple lady bok choy. way down there. Ain't that just gorgeous? Tastes good too. We got kale down there in the corner too. This is lettuce and radishes. The radishes are coming out today. So if you're looking for radishes, we'll have them ready. And got more lettuce. Top soy, I think, maybe. And down there we have Mizuna. We've got some early peas started, just so we'll have a few handfuls for our CSA customers. Weekly produce boxes. So, anyway, I hope you have enjoyed that little bitty video there. I know it's just a short one, but I wanted to show you a little bit of what we had going on the farm. And still haven't finished the high tunnel. Got a lot going on. Got a lot going on. So we are very, very excited around here. Alright, well, I'm going to get off here and finish getting this order put away so you can come buy it. Hope you have a wonderful day. See ya.